wonderful day and also historical day for Andhra Pradesh, and also this is a game changer for Andhra Pradesh economy and also Indian youth. I am thankful to Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Information Minister Sri Vaishnav ji, and also Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji, and also I am appreciating Google team for speed up bringing this project to Visakhapatnam. You are all aware from the beginning, as a politician, always I am promoting technology. That is the proof of concept in Hyderabad. Now it is next level of development. We started iTech City and promoting IT. Now artificial intelligence and also data centers and also quantum computing. For all these things, driving force is the Honorable Prime Minister. Whenever we bring some proposal, immediately he is doing, not only doing, he is asking to implement it at a faster pace. This is a very good momentum. I have seen so many changes in India. Indians are all well known for information technology. You take any global company, Indian origin are the CEOs. That is our strength. Either Google or Microsoft or any other company. Now with that strength, AI is a reality in future. But we have to use effectively artificial intelligence. Data center is a reality. Data is a new oil for growth. With all these parameters, I am thankful to Government of India they gave me opportunity to launch this project in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam.
Sir, what is the size of investment, time frame and employment opportunity? How much employment opportunity is going to generate?
Kurianji has announced just now 15 billion. Originally they announced 10 billion. Now he said 15 billion within 5 years' time. Time frame is fixed. Speed also you know very well. And also employment also in a big way. Direct, indirect and ancillary. So many people will come, that ecosystem. They are going to create so much of employment. Apart from employment, economy, there will be a big jump. That is what I am envisaging. There will be lot of impact in all walks of life. Either education, either health, agriculture, even construction, not one field. Every field there is an impact. Cost effectiveness and also timely decision making, speed of doing business, everything is going to come, and also decision making will be more and more accurate.
Sir, other than Google, any other companies in talks to invest in Visakhapatnam?
You are going to see so many companies already started, TCS, Cognizant, and also some other companies. Every company is coming to Visakhapatnam now.
Sir, we have started feeling the impact of AI in terms of job losses, particularly in the IT sector.
Now what I am asking, we have to use AI for overall gain, knowledge, and also speed, everything. And also we have to build leadership qualities and also scale these operations next level. That is where I am saying always, distance is not the constraint. Location, wherever you are, you can